Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best cryptocurrency exchange platforms. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Cryptocurrency disrupted the financial market over a decade ago when Bitcoin was invented and its open source code released in 2009. Crypto is an internet-based medium of exchange which uses cryptographic functions to conduct financial transactions leveraging blockchain technology. Crypto has evolved significantly over the last few years, with roughly 2,995 cryptocurrencies on the market today, according to CoinMarketCap. Many cryptocurrency exchange platforms have emerged to allow ordinary people to participate in the economy of the future. Today, cryptocurrencies are more than a digital currency. They are considered an asset class. The most important feature of a cryptocurrency is that it is not controlled by any central authority. The decentralized nature of the blockchain makes cryptocurrencies theoretically immune to the old ways of government control and interference. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best cryptocurrency exchange platforms can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy exchange to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best cryptocurrency exchange platforms. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Bittrex Global. Bittrex is based in Seattle, in the United States, and in Liechtenstein as Bittrex Global. The company was launched by former employees of Microsoft and Amazon, and their mobile application enables direct purchases of cryptocurrencies using US dollars and enables trades between over 220 cryptocurrencies. The company is known for its industry-leading security practices, as well as a set of its own APIs, which can be used for automated trading with bots. With Bittrex's application, you get access to advanced price tracking tools. You can search for markets based on volume, gains, and more. You also get access to your crypto wallet directly from your smartphone, and this application includes data loss prevention and key management capabilities. You can get notifications for completed orders, add markets to a personalized favorites list, check active orders, past transactions, and much more with the Bittrex Global application. At number 4 on our list, we have Kraken. Kraken is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange and has been consistently rated as one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges on the market. They have been involved in the blockchain revolution right from the beginning since 2011, and the company launched its advanced trading platform in 2013. They boast having one of the largest selection of cryptocurrency assets to buy, sell, and trade. Their value proposition of giving people from all walks of life the opportunity to invest in their financial independence is very compelling. Who doesn't want a way to quickly and securely invest in the cryptocurrency ecosystem and make some good profits? For experienced traders, Kraken offers spot and margin trading. In addition, for high-volume traders, which are over $100,000 US, they provide over-the-counter services with personalized account management. With their application, you get access to fast, real-time price updates, multiple charting and order book display options, colorized spark lines. You can open and close your positions in bulk with just one tap. You can use custom free payment options that allows you to pay in fiat or crypto for each order. You can visualize your past trades or current open orders directly from the chart, and much more with Kraken. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Coinbase. Coinbase boasts over 25 million users in 32 countries around the globe. The company was started in 2012 as a Bitcoin brokerage, making it one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges. With the Coinbase application, you can buy, store and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and many more. Coinbase is fully regulated and licensed. Whether you are just starting your crypto journey or you are a seasoned expert, you will find everything you need to build your crypto portfolio on Coinbase. Over 98% of cryptocurrency is stored securely offline, and the rest is protected by industry-leading online security. Your account is secure with multi-stage verification and bank-level security. You can also lock the application with a passcode or remotely disable your phone's access to the app if it gets lost or stolen. For the experienced trader, Coinbase also offers Coinbase Pro, which is a cryptocurrency trading platform for trading several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Fees are considerably lower than the brokerage services, and there are advanced trading options as well. With the Coinbase exchange, you get access to updates and features for beginners that help you build your knowledge and your portfolio, including automatic buys and price alerts. You get reoccurring buys, where you can invest in digital currency slowly over time by scheduling buys daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also use vault protection for added security, where you can store your funds in a vault with time-delayed withdrawals. The Coinbase application is available for Android or Apple iOS operating systems. At number 2 on our list, we have Binance. Binance is a trading exchange for cryptocurrencies, which was launched in Hong Kong in 2017. The company has achieved good success and is one of the highest trading volumes as stated by CoinMarketCap. If you are looking to buy or trade crypto, this is one of the cheapest platforms to do it on. Binance accepts users from all around the world and has received good reviews from the cryptocurrency community. Their trading application is simple to use, making it easy to invest in cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and many other digital currencies. Crypto spot trading is available on Binance, as well as other trading products such as crypto futures trading and margin trading. With the Binance application, you can trade crypto futures with up to 125 times leverage. You get access to crypto margin trading. You can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum directly from the platform, and Binance makes it easy to withdraw and cash out with fiat portals, available in many countries. You can use Binance as your multi-blockchain wallet of choice when it comes to storing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, and many other different types of crypto tokens and stable coins. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best cryptocurrency exchange platforms, we have Luno. Luno was founded in 2013 and is found in more than 40 countries around the globe. The platform has over 3.5 million customers with over $8 billion in processed transactions, definitely making it one of the leaders in the market. The company says it has built the most sophisticated Bitcoin security system, which should give you a high level of comfort using this mobile application for cryptocurrency trading or the purchasing of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and others. From advanced cryptocurrency charting to simple Bitcoin price updates. The Luno application caters for the beginner, intermediate, or advanced traders. With the Luno application, you can set price alerts for all cryptocurrencies on the platform, so when the market moves, you can take action. You get access to advanced cryptocurrency charting and Bitcoin and crypto trading features, and you can trade between many currency pairs, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ripple, and more. You can also swap between the old world and the new with Bitcoin to fiat currency pairs, so you can trade with a wide variety of fiat currencies, including the South African Rand, the Euro, the Naira, and more. And those are some of the top 5 best cryptocurrency exchange platforms on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.